Hello, everybody. Well, I'm recording this message to invite you personally for an event which is coming up this Sunday, that is 17th November. This is the UT JK Shah launch event. The event is happening on 17th November between 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. at IMEI Hall, Nerul. Well, this video message is primarily to ask for personal support from all of you. All of you meaning all professors, all UT staff members, including the entire team at Kharghar, that is our admin team, as well as all our full-time professors, our marketing team, our admin team, basically each and every one of you. The idea is that I want all of you to be present and uh, support us in our endeavors. We want to put a strong face in front of JK Shah people that we at UT are there in strong numbers. So मेरे को आप सबसे expected है कि आप सब जरूर जरूर present हो. I know it's a Sunday, but I would like, except for all UT branches would be operating, but all lectures and everything have been cancelled. Only one or two people have been specifically told कि उनके वो हैं, so they will continue with their thing. Otherwise, every one of us have been made free. So मैं चाहूंगा कि आप सब लोग मेरे को join करें and let me put up a brave face in front of JK Shah classes that we guys are very big in Navi Mumbai. So मेरे को आपसे support चाहिए. We'll have refreshment served at the end of the event. That's also, again, I repeat, this is Sunday, 17 November, 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. at IMEI Hall, Nerul. I want to see all of you there at that point of time. चलिए, thank you. अगर कोई doubts है, details हैं, तो please contact Harsha and she will give you all the details. Thank you. Bye bye.